Wait, I'm going to introduce Rosie. This is Rosie. Rosie the Tarantula. She's been in our family for like 2 years now. There she is. Hey, girl. She's pretty. And she's our friend, right? And this is her cage. It was a snake cage, but my son left the thing open like this. And I said, son, where's the snake? And it's been missing for about 4 days now in the house somewhere. And this is our other little friend, Brown Widow. We just caught him last night on the porch. He's pretty small. And over here is, what's in here? I think there's another one. Yuck. Oh yeah, this one. She's in there. She's guarding her egg sac. See? Where's a good view of it? Can't see it that well. There it is. Yeah, she's in there with protecting her eggs. And then we got the Venus flytrap, or whatever that carnivorous thing is. My son caught this spider a long time ago, and we froze it in this little cube. It's huge. And then we got this little gal. Where is she? Uh-oh, where is she? There she is. She has not one, but 2 egg sacs, and one of them is ready to hatch at any time. And there's Mama. Where is she? She's hiding. See the little orange hourglass, red, whatever. She's going back in here into captivity. And that's my son's pet collection so far for today. Bye!